Renegade Waterfalls. A little overgrown.
Waterfalls.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean, yeah. Oh, that's what you mean. OCC. Oh, somebody raked it. Waterfalls. Oh, woo. Damn. It's all janky in here. Okay, I'm taking one. Oh, and even one is sketchy. Oh, I still can't make it. Fuck. Oh, I am not riding good after that crash. So nervous.
Kind of chunky.
I'm all nervous too.
After the waterfall, had some chunks in there, huh?
Yeah, I went one is just so much debris and like rocks, and then I couldn't make those switchbacks. They're tight, and then I almost slid out my front tire.
Two was pretty good.
It's the one where you switch back over. I thought that was 3. I don't know. I thought 2 went straight through over the big rock slab, but 3 goes around it.
I think that's what I did.
Yeah.
Right, and then you just go across the river straight
Across the river, and then a sharp left.
You gotta hit
There's
your front tire on that one big boulder.
Pop rock.
Yeah,
Your front tire goes over it, yeah.
And then you're into the chunk.
Then you're into the chunk. You're switchbacking into that chunk section, and I couldn't make that turn today.
So this
is the valley, yeah.
That's the new trail we're gonna make.
Could extend Waterfalls, yeah. We're still filming, by the way.
Alright, how's this one?
It's good. I think it's wide open. I just crowned it recently. You're gonna take it away today.
No.
A little overgrown, but yeah, the rest is good. to be a logs at the bottom. Woo. Moonraker. Full sand. Phew. Epic. I gotta work on those.